P30 Digital Power Desoldering Station Tutorial. This is the main unit of the P30 preheater station. How to replace a module. Push the module switch back to remove the module. After inserting the new module, push the switch forward to fix the module. The desoldering station has 4 buckles, which can be moved left and right and rotated 360 degrees to better fix the motherboard and module. Users can use the buckles according to their needs. Connect the desoldering station to the P30 power supply and tighten it. Access the preheater functions from the main screen of the P30 power supply app. You can see there are 4 buttons. Press M1 to set temperature A and temperature B. Press M2 to set temperature C and temperature D. M3 controls heating on or off. Menu is the main menu button. For groups of temperatures can be customized, and the setting method is the same. Press the M1 button to set temperature B. Rotate the left or right knob to adjust the temperature to the value you want, and then long press the M1 button to successfully set the temperature. Press M3 to turn on heating. When the font turns blue, the screen prompts that heating is in progress and the temperature value is rising. Press M3 to turn off heating. The screen no longer has a temperature value and does not prompt heating. Did you learn it? Thanks for your watching.